What's up, Minitruck?
Minitruck! Oh, you're ready to go. Let's hit the store. Minitruck! Be right back. Later. Look at him look at the ass of my Mini. You pervert. It's my girl. See her staring at that ass?
What are you staring at, fucker?
That's because she's so sexy. Looking at her like she's a piece of meat. Man, I tell you. See, when you're with hot-looking women, you gotta deal with that shit all the time.
Everybody wants to take your baby home.
What's up?
Probably old Springs got 10,000 miles on them.
I don't know, man.
Oh yeah, they're used, man.
They're not used, but I don't think you got enough. 2, 4.
Quality control. What do you mean I ain't got enough?
There's five friction plates.
And you got four of these.
Well, how come it's not filling it all the way up to the top then?
Dude, you got a good point. Well, you got a good point.
I'm just saying. You got fucked, man. It happens to the best of us.
Pretty much like street bike, but not really.
Alexis, put on Van Halen. Hop teacher. No, I've been waiting to do that though. Alright, Minitruck. We gotta see why you're using so much gas. Check your plugs, see your choke setting, maybe even check your timing.
I don't know. I don't know if we'll have enough time.
Let's see what's under here, Mini. Well, it's got stainless hardware. Let's see. That's not too bad to work on, huh? Minitruck. Lots and lots and lots and lots of vacuum lines. I just heard the choke close. Looks like I'm flooding out a little bit here, Minitruck. Definitely. I mean, I checked the filter. The filter was fine. Oh, wow, look at that. There's the timing right there. Let's check the plugs while we're here before we go any farther on this carburetor. Doesn't look too bad. A little rich. Number one's got a tighter hole. Does have it. Good. That don't look bad either. Besides the fact that it's got a little ridge around the edge there. Never sees, never hurts. Should drop out of there. Maybe. I think so. We'll try it. Huh. Nope. Top and bottom. Something's holding. Gotta be the heat. I don't want to screw up the gasket. That is clean. Nice rubber gasket. Clean that up, put a little bit of grease around it. It's only 2 valves per cylinder, not 4. 0.25 is what? Exhaust? 0.25. I know it's 2.54, but I'd rather have it a little big than small. Like right now, this is exactly top dead center, but it's on the wrong stroke. I wonder if I could turn that by hand. That's on the back side of the cam right there. Alright. That's alright. It's kind of tight. See the lobes? You gotta go the other way, but you can't hardly even see them here. Got a cast iron block with aluminum head. I don't care what anybody says. I'd rather have them a hair loose than tight. So you hear a little bit of tap it noise. Big deal. It's not going to burn a valve up. So that's all, I believe, right? Yep, that's good. Yeah, so they were a little tight if those numbers are right, but not ridiculous. Nothing mechanically, really. Alright, this goes on this way. We're going to do the old light layer of grease trick.
For gaskets?
And that surface is all clean. There it is. Make sure it's nice. No wires are stuck behind there. No vacuum hoses. Mini, feel a little better. That's not too bad. Let's see if you run, Mini. You better. I just adjusted the valves, and this must be mixture. Pretty high idle too. This isn't opening either. It's the choke. Now, it's probably this heater hose, feel it? And then run it through here, and then this is supposed to open up. The thermostat's right there. Yeah, it's like a thermostat. Choke's still closed. That could be part of my problem, huh? No, it's not opening. Sounds like one of the valves are loud, but I adjusted them all. The thing right here with a gear that turns this thing, see?
Yeah.
So I think that is supposed to be opening. Like this is supposed to go back and forth. The heat's supposed to push it, and then that pushes that whole arm apparently, which goes against that gear, makes the gear turn, and that hasn't budged because the choke is still on. Well, I mean, it's got to be frozen up. This thing, this is definitely the choke. But look, it's still on. It's not going off. It's got to be, look.
just let go.
Right.
Has it been down that far this whole time?
No, now it's open. PB blaster or something that's got a good catalyst.
Ooh, get it.
Wait, I gotta make sure I hit it. I don't know if I got it.
Yeah, you got it.
Oh, wait a minute, I don't know if I got it yet. Because the last time I filled it up, I mean, I know I drove more off-road than on-road, but it was only 18 miles a gallon or something. The first time was like 6 miles a gallon. And these things should be getting like to 40 to 50. And the idle, I always noticed when it was warmed up, the idle was always high, like the choke was on, and then I shut it off, and that's probably why it sucked the fuel out of the carburetor, because it was choked. And you shut it off, and it's like,
Yeah.
and it's like choking it. Right. Have to wait for it to cool off and see if it closes.
Day 2.
Let's see if this choke closed. No, it didn't. So this choke assembly must be sticking. Let's see if we can time this thing real quick. Look at that old sumbitch.
There's more for your life at Sears.
Number one. The one toward the front. Should be 7, but 9 or 10 is better. Yeah. Pull out vacuum line off. Plug it. I wonder if this thing's even going to start when it's cold without a choke, you know? Wow. That thing's way past 10. That thing's way advanced. Try it at like 11. Try that. Must have more power because it's pushing past the clutch. Definitely should do better on the gas mileage. Definitely idles better. Gotta do the clutch now. Alright, Minnie? So let's see if you got a tick. Oh yeah, look at that. That's just shaking because the choke doesn't work. No ticking. Yeah, Minitruck. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want notifications on new videos. I have links for all of the products I use in the description and on motorcheese.com. Thanks for watching. Look, Minitruck, you're on eBay. Yeah.